So another reason why you would want to use Linux is because it's cheaper. When we say it's cheaper, it's open source and it's free. And so when we say it's open source, it's free and it's open source. Open source means that it's possible for you to make adjustments on the software easily without any restrictions from any vendor. Apart from that, it's free. You can easily go online and download it. And this kind of operating system is not difficult. We'll see when we get to the practical component. It's not difficult to get access to it. Once you have internet access, you should be able to use it. Another reason is that for security reasons, Linux is very secure. Stand to be corrected, but Linux is more secure than other operating systems. And so you would want to use Linux if you're also thinking about security as well. And one of the other reasons why I would prefer to use Linux is because of speed. It's very fast because it's lightweight and you can install a few components that you need instead of installing a full package. So if you don't need a particular functionality of the operating system, there's no point having it on your system. And another thing is that it's so flexible that you can tweak it and add more things to it at any point in time when you feel like.